2A, take one.
Enterprises that reach the innovation stage consistently report 50 to 75% faster product development and significant reductions in long-term costs.
Volume does not always equal value.
The real goal isn't migration, it's platform unification.
That means instead of 3 groups solving the same problem 3 times, you have one cross-functional team delivering value directly to the customer.
The team can turn their attention to capabilities that users have long signaled are lacking.
All right, why are enterprises even considering Flutter right now, Tony?
Enterprises today are drowning in platform sprawl. You've got teams for iOS, Android, web, and for some companies, all of your embedded screens, all solving the same problem in different ways. That means duplicated effort, slower delivery, higher costs, and despite your best efforts, a disjointed user experience. Across enterprises we've studied, as much as 25 to 30% of product development effort is lost due to duplication before front-end migration. Flutter changes the equation. With one front-end solution, one codebase, one team, and native performance everywhere, you suddenly get alignment, consistency, and speed.
And for execs who don't live in the weeds, what exactly is Flutter?
At its core, Flutter is a modern front-end framework created by Google that lets you build once and deploy everywhere. You get the polish and performance you'd expect from a fully native app without the cost of developing for each platform. Flutter allows your organization to ship features faster across all platforms with dramatically less duplication. It's a business enabler. One team, one codebase, everywhere your users are.
Aren't app and front-end migrations notoriously risky? What's changed to make the investment worth the risk?
Historically, yes, migrations and digital transformations have been complex and expensive. But what's changed is the business environment. Enterprises today simply can't afford 3 or 4 siloed front ends and expect to keep up with their competition. Imagine being able to reinvest 40% of your product development budget. And now is the time to consolidate your front-end approach for 2 key reasons. First, Flutter itself has matured. It's enterprise-proven, open source, and backed by a global ecosystem. And second, the next decade of software development will be AI-enabled. And that revolution works best when organizations have consolidated data and unified code bases. To help organizations build their tech stack and teams to harness their investments in AI is one key reason why we created the Flutter migration curve. Enterprises that reach the innovation stage consistently report 50 to 75% faster product development and significant reductions in long-term costs. Very Good Venture established a 5-phase migration approach that outlines the process and milestones along the way to efficiently and successfully migrate your organization to Flutter.
Generally speaking, how do enterprises think about structuring a migration?
It depends. Some teams need a complete overhaul. Others need to gradually evolve. We guide our clients in both cases. There are 2 proven methods, the build and flip and strangler fig patterns. If your development schedule allows for a complete overhaul, the build and flip method offers a faster path to fresh architecture, clean code, and 0 legacy debt. But it demands discipline and time. If your project is already underway, is large and complex, the strangler fig pattern is a safer approach. Neither approach is perfect. That's why we help you choose based on your team's structure, risk tolerance, and timeline. The real goal isn't migration, it's platform unification. You get one codebase, a shared design system, and better aligned releases. By gradually replacing app screens, it minimizes risk, supports continuous delivery, allowing for the critical delivery of features to users and the achievement of business revenue goals.
What should we focus on building first, Tanisha?
Volume does not always equal value, so instead of automatically seeking parity, which look, I get it, scaling back to reduce bloat just might deliver the biggest payoff. Parity for parity's sake may feel safe or even responsible, but your time to value is greatly increased by clearing a path to the ROI-rich features or user actions that actually drive revenue. The team can turn their attention to capabilities that users have long signaled are lacking.
What's the human and team impact of a Flutter migration?
Migrating to Flutter isn't just about consolidating code bases. It's about transforming how people work. Organizations tend to use this moment to reorganize from platform-focused teams, iOS team here, Android team there, into feature or customer-focused teams. That means instead of 3 groups solving the same problem 3 times, you have one cross-functional team delivering value directly to the customer. It's not just a migration, it's a cultural shift toward velocity and collaboration.
What does this innovation phase look like, Tanisha?
So because of this consolidation, your team will finally have the extra latitude for building impactful features. Suddenly, they're able to think about innovation and not just keeping the lights on. Function is replaced with expansion, or even user delight. We've seen clients who have matured to this phase, able to embed experiences everywhere. Mobile apps, yes, but also web, kiosks, TVs, signage, and even vehicle displays. So in this last phase, you have the bandwidth to do all the cool stuff that's been on your list but never gets actioned. You're finally innovating. Download the model, see where you think you land, and give us a call if you want some help figuring it out.